Hi guys, I'm doing this right after. Like, I haven't even uploaded the video yet. I haven't even started it. But we're back in the game. Sorry, it's so quick. I'm not even ready. But we're back in. If you remember what happened last time, I came first place in USA. Now I'm playing in a place that I can't pronounce the names. Like, anything I can't pronounce. Oh, I have a huge chance of being first and playing the second lap. There's that one, but that is a guy right behind me. That radar thing at the top helps me because, like, on the top right, it helps me because it tells me if someone's behind me so I can block them. I'm gonna wait until I have a full boost because I've never done that before. This full boost. Feeling so good. Oh. Total mouth shot. 400 more. Only halfway on the boost. It's so good. That's, I finished, like, I want to see how much I finished first with full boost. Well, I'd probably beat everybody with the time. Shoot first. Good, okay. Let's keep on playing. Have to buy that. Okay, next round we might be able to buy the new card. Should have got wet wheels. Australians, they make me harder to turn. Dang it! Let me start on the ground. Come on, how can I lose? If you know what's coming, you can go on the opposite side so it'll be better. So I'm just gonna start it low. Until it comes to yeah, so now let's go on this side. I have no idea what my hand. This is in the way. As we get out of this round without getting hit by something, I'm going to put up the handling to 9. I'm really far up. I'm actually doing this. And I get hit again. Block. And I get hit again. Block. Block follow me last. I can't block any cars. I think I might have to put my handling up to first. And my boost down to like 60. It's gonna have to be dead, not less. Look, I'm done. So it takes too long. See if I can get back. Yeah, I really want to unlock that car. It costs 5,000 gold. Brazil. Handling max. This. 80. This max. Right. Get on 80. And don't move. There we go. That's what I want. This is gonna be horrible, but I still got this. So right, if it's dark. Wreck them all. Look at this one. One coming here. Oh my god, that's such a yo-yo. I'm not just staying on the road. Next time on this side. Next time on this side. Thanks. Oops. Dang it! No, I'm only like 12. Okay, 75. I'm gonna block it. Yeah, I only got one card. Dang it! Blocking cards, blocking cards, blocking cards. Okay, my last card has 100% anger, and I can't figure out how to do this. I'll just finish the round and get the new card. That'll work. And I killed it. I'm just gonna finish this round. Hope I don't get 0. How much money do you think I get from like coming last? I will dying again. Oh, I got a ton of money. And I came last place. That's funny. Look how much money I got. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, you get like 3,000 points. New card. Let's go. See if it looks cool. Okay. 129. Let's go. Spring your last race. Seems easy. There's nothing that can like open your mind. Why is it? You just make it harder this time. Well, I know what I was doing the other day. I don't know what wheels. Or dry wheels, I'm not sure. This car is really good. It's going really fast. It's going really rapid. Safer. See, this is like, that's what I mean by like safer. Okay. That was close. Block the Black. I'm so sorry I'm talking. But it's just so that this video and yo, I said it like right before it. So the second page is on. But yeah, just in time. Okay, I have 27 seconds. Okay, we're gonna do the rest of this later. So, bye guys. See you next time.